1-0, ready, go. 1 minute. Alright, as you can see, I'm going to carry her 1 minute. So starting of 2:35. So, okay, 2:05, and then we will end in 3:05. And pakita ko diri lab. You can see, guys, I'm holding. It's a bit. What was your weight again? 50 kilograms. Ah, please share this video, guys, to your live and carry friends. Oh, my hands. 5 more. 5 seconds. See my biceps, guys. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1 minute. All right, guys. See that? My sisters. What is your weight again?
I don't know.
I need to end for 5 minutes.
Nakitimbangan.
No. That's a gym. It's in the gym.
I thought.
See that, guys? Oh, my hands. 30 seconds. We're 30 seconds richer, guys. Oh, my biceps. Oh. 1 minute. Let's go. 10 seconds more. 1. Whew. 9, go. So 1 minute challenge. Just walk and walk. Walking and walking there. Just walking and walking. All right, so can Chris Malin cradle carry Jazzle? So let's try it later with our roulette or the wheel of names, just like that. As you can see, Jazzle is on top of Chris Malin, and then next me, she is going to carry me for 1 minute. Let's try if until we can have this challenge for 1 hour, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, asa naman mo? Come back here. Just like that. Okay, 1 minute. Di makita yung mong tiil. Simuko ito kami.
8 naman.
Oh, 8 na. Okay. Me. Rest for 1. 9, 10. Go. Atras. So, all right, guys. The time is 9 minutes and 10 seconds. So, we will end to 10 minutes and 10 seconds. Let's go. Chris Malin is carrying me with...
Uy, mag-ilo.
Ano naman? Oh. Ang baho. Shout out to our live viewers out there. Please click the like button, guys, for more lift and carry challenges with the AAA girls and the CCC boys. How's your feeling out there?
Okay lang.
Are you tired or not?
I'm not comfortable.
Not comfortable.
Done na.
Done. Please do shoulder ride on girl. 9, 10, and 10 seconds. And 10. All right. 2, 1, go. Okay, 1 minute challenge for the piggyback. Please share this video to your live and carry friends who likes live and carry challenges with Chris Malin. Which country? We are from the Philippines. Philippines number 1. Okay, please click the like button. As you can see, We have some other members with the CCC boys, but they are not uh, present to now. I'll try to communicate with them, but they are not available in the moment. At the moment. All right, please share this video to your friends and who loves live and carry. So 12:30. 12:30 is the next. Let's go. Okay, go. 8, 9. Okay, let's go. 14. All right. See Jazzle. Jazzle is strong. 15 seconds. 15 minutes. All right. Thank you for following us. Live and carry TikTok. Ah. And also so strong. Jazzle is so strong. We are. Oh, I'm getting dizzy with this. Going to do 15 minutes. We have 6 challenges there. All right, guys. So maybe for the next part of our live, we are going to do some spin the wheel or just like the trending challenge of the flip the bottle, just like that. All right. So strong. This girl is so strong. What is your weight again?
50.
50. What is your age?
18.
18 years old. All right. So for 3, 2, 1. All right. All right, guys. As you can see, I'm carrying my sister Jazzle in the top of me, shoulder right. She is sitting in top of me. So we have the 2 piggyback ride, and then if I can pick piggyback ride later, we will remove the piggyback ride challenge. You can see Jason is like dancing out there. You can turn around. We can squat just like that. All right. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell for more videos like this or for more live stream to shout out your name. All right. See that? Pila na? 17. Okay. We are nearly done. Okay, 17. I love. All right. So you can see, guys, we are starting to shoulder ride Chris Malin at the top of me. She can dance like this. I love that. Workout. Hi, Miming. Wala na walang tao, kaya ang tapunan. See, guys, we will end for 19. Oh, I can squat lalab. 1. Oh, that's not a deep squat, guys. 19. 19 minutes. Okay. My shoulders are